Hello and welcome to section 3.3. We are doing checkpoint 3.9, and in this checkpoint they want us to calculate the arc length of this parameterized curve. So if we recall the arc length formula looks like in the more compact notation that we found, it's the magnitude of r prime of t in an integral from a to b, whatever those limits might be. Well, in this case the limits are going to be from 0 to 3, and we only need to do the magnitude of derivative. So let's first find the derivative, and that will end up being 4t comma 4t comma, and this is 2t squared. Make that 3t squared. Okay, now let's take the magnitude. The magnitude of this, we'll put it under a square root, and then we'll have 4t squared quantity squared, 4t quantity squared, and then 3t squared quantity squared. I believe this should simplify to 16t squared plus another 16 is 32 t squared, plus this is going to be a 9t to the fourth under a square root. It looks like we can pull a t squared out of the quantity, and then that would come out of the square root as just a regular t. And so we have 32 plus 9t squared after we took a t squared out. Okay, this should give us something that we can integrate, because we have u substitution that we can work with. So our integral is going to be from 0 to 3 of this integrand. That's t times the square root of 32 plus 9t squared dt. And the u substitution should do it. If we let u equal to the thing under the square root, 32 plus 9t squared du is going to be an 18t dt. So the t dt are there. We have 18 in the denominator, and we'll keep these as t limits. We could change the limits now, but we'll change the limits now. Let's see. If we change the limits now, we would get, if we put 3 in for t, we're going to get 9 times 9 is 81. 81 plus 32 is 113. And u at 0 would just be 32. So these are going to be our new limits from 32 to 113. And then we're going to have a u to the 1/2. And we took care of that t, and I think everything else is taken care of. Du. Okay. All right, so that's 1 over 18, and this is going to be u to the 3/2 divided by 3/2, so that's essentially like multiplying by 2/3. And this is going to be evaluated with the new u limits, 32 to 113, and then so some simplifying the 2 and the 18 gives a 9 times 3 is 1 over 27. And then this is u. This is 113 to the 3/2 minus 32 to the 3/2. Okay. If you throw this into your calculator, you're going to get this to be approximately equal to 37.7847. Okay, I think that's it. Hope that helps.